Well guys, the spacers have come for the 4Runner, so let's get installed and let's see how this looks. This is the before. Bingo! Look at these suckers. These things are awesome. So, these go on like so. We should be good. Alright, just put some of this stuff on there just to loosen everything up so we can put it on there. Just put a nice line. Alright, this is all tightened up. Now we're going to be putting the wheel back on. This looks so much better. All right, we're done. We are all done. It is dark out, so oh man, that was a fun job.